This Lavery Library research tutorial discusses features of the database called APA PsycNET. Don't be fooled by the name of the database. This is a multi-subject database containing scholarly articles in fields beyond psychology, such as education, nursing, and other fields of studies with linkages to behavioral and social sciences. Although perhaps still in draft form, my overall research statement is technology can improve reading comprehension. The basic search concepts included in my topic are reading comprehension and technology. Notice that I put quotation marks around the two words reading and comprehension. I want these words to live together as a specific term versus individual words. It is a good idea to perform the same basic search that really speaks to your topic in each database that you search within. Try different databases with the same search string, as each database houses different journals and articles. You then should branch off and try some further search strategies in attempts to be led to other sources that your initial search may not have pulled up. For our search at hand, I can change technology to be as this, telling the database that I want to search for words such as technology and also technologies. This is a nice time saver, as I can do just one search but include multiple words that fit my topic. I'm not sure which ending an article might use, so why not include all when searching? Let's go further and edit our search by adding the term ebook, which is a more focused term than technology but still relates to my topic. It is important to notice how we connect the two synonyms with an or. We are telling the database to include articles with either word, technology or ebook, because we'll be happy with results including either of these words. But all articles must also include the phrase reading comprehension, so that is where the Boolean operator and comes into play. Overall, I'm looking for the database to give me results including reading comprehension and technology or ebook. Now results a significant increase. This can be great for my topic, or I might want to try searching reading comprehension and technology and ebook. I'm telling the database now that I want results that include all three of these terms. Using all and operators leads my result list to now only 11 results. These results are hopefully more focused on what I'm really looking for. In APA PsycNET, some of the most valuable tools are along the left side to filter the results. I really like the methodology option, as I can see results that are specifically studies, even broken down by whether the study is empirical or quantitative. This can be really helpful for my research and yours. This concludes the tutorial for APA PsycNET. Each database tutorial will provide various hints and search strategies to help you become a more efficient searcher. Happy researching!